Hello everyone, my name is Srimant Kumar. You're watching some basic tech, and today I will show you how you can get the entire system details by a single command on your system. So this is the very basic and simple command, and you will just run on your terminal or on your run portal. Run it means just press window R and you can type here the same command. So you will get the same details. But I'm going to type here in terminal. So type DXDIAZ. That's it. So once you hit this command, and the prompt will show you the DirectX diagnostic tool, and yes, click yes. It will not going to diagnose anything, and it will show you the your system details with the complete configuration and information. So you can see here, it is showing the lots of details. This is the system details. So when this system was going to purchase and all things, what was the operating system and everything, memory, RAM, and all that. And even if you're going to the display section, so it will see, you can see here the display configuration and manufacturer, chip type, and device type, total memory consumption, sound, volume, and input. So this is the very vast and complete information you are just getting here. So save all the information, so you can just save it in your any notepad for viewing again. So this is the thing you can see. And one more command is that type, otherwise you can just type here the ms info 32. So it will prompt you the entire summary of the system here, and you can get the entire details, even the BIOS version of the system and all that. So this is the both these both command will help you to resolve your lots of issues while you are going to configure, while you are going to upgrade, while you are going to downgrade or something. So this is really helpful for everyone. So if you have not liked the channel and subscribe the channels, kindly do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.